Today is already the 4th day of the 139th Canton Fair, and the crowds are still as bustling as ever. Let me give you a few numbers to help you feel the excitement of this Canton Fair. At this session of the Canton Fair, the number of registered buyers has already surpassed 210,000, an increase of 20% compared to last year. And today I'm going to take you around one of the most popular and lively areas of the Canton Fair. The motorcycle exhibition area is definitely one of the most crowded check-in spots among the 210,000 attendees. This year, the motorcycle exhibition area has 3 hotspots, each of which is worth discussing in detail. The first is Zhengshui Motorcycles, which at its debut exhibition was surrounded by crowds, and all overseas dealership slots were snapped up on the spot. The second is that the era of Chinese-made electric motorcycles rising has arrived. The increase in fuel prices has created huge profit margins for electric motorcycles. And finally, Chinese brands collectively made a leap at this motorcycle exhibition, evolving from simple means of transportation to high-performance machines. Behind all this lies a major trend. Chinese-made motorcycles are shifting from focusing on cost-effectiveness to building brand strength. Hello friends, we are now at the biggest hotspot of this Canton Fair, Zhengshui Motorcycles. Because just half a month ago, Zhengshui Motorcycles won 2 consecutive championships at the WSBK Portugal round, breaking the 37-year monopoly of European, American, and Japanese motorcycle brands. That's why the Canton Fair gave them this booth at the last minute. Just look at the crowd behind me and how popular it is. Today is actually already the 4th day of the Canton Fair, but the crowds haven't diminished at all. Almost all of my clients have come here specifically to check it out. This level of excitement has even spread directly to the 2nd floor of the Canton Fair venue. Take a look at this crowd. Basically everyone at this booth is either a buyer or a member of the media attending this session. Let me describe the grand scene here for you. This purchasing manager from Singapore, Mr. Lee, is dragging his suitcase and has his phone connected to colleagues in Cambodia, all just to wait for the staff to finish up so he can rush over and discuss becoming an agent for Zhengshui Motorcycles. Why is Zhengshui Motorcycles so popular? Because the product strength of Zhengshui Motorcycles is truly outstanding. At Zhengshui Motorcycles booth this time, they brought us 5 models, the 820R2 Standard Edition, which is the prototype that won the WSBK Championship, as well as the hot-selling 500 Double, our racing replica popular model that sold nearly 25,000 units last year. Wang Qin, Foreign Trade Minister of Zhengshui Motorcycle, made a very tough statement. By 2026, Chinese manufacturing will be able to reach the same quality standards as Japanese and European or American companies, but our motorcycle prices will be kept at only 70 to 80% of theirs. This data alone is enough to make many buyers from Europe, America, and overseas stop and take notice. What does this mean? It means that Chinese motorcycle brands are breaking into the high-end market by offering the same performance at a lower price. So what is Zhengshui Motorcycles' strategy this time? Their strategy is to promote the brand first and then talk about orders. While selecting overseas partners, they also comprehensively assess the partner's financial strength, industry background, passion for the brand, as well as their online promotion and after-sales service capabilities. From what I just learned, more than 20 exclusive agents have already signed contracts at the exhibition, and there are still 40 to 50 more waiting to sign. These numbers are enough to leave every manufacturer attending the Canton Fair in awe. It is expected that the first batch of motorcycles to be exported to Europe will be shipped out in June this year. What this teaches us is that the core technology of a product is the best form of marketing, and the racetrack is the best advertisement for your product. We just finished checking out the most popular booth on the 2nd floor,
Zhengshui Motorcycles.
Now let's take a look at another leading company in the motorcycle industry at this event, CFMOTO, right behind me. At this exhibition, CFMOTO has brought us a total of 12 models, covering their 4-wheel all-terrain vehicles, their flagship fuel-powered motorcycles, as well as their hugely popular ZEEHO electric motorcycles, among several other product lines. The first and most popular model is our leader class adventure bike, the 1000 MTX, which is the one right behind me. This model is currently a key focus for overseas buyers. In the past, the leader class adventure market was basically monopolized by big brands like KTM and BMW, but now in 2026, China's CFMOTO has arrived. The second model is our sport replica, the 675 SR-2. I haven't seen this one at the exhibition today, but it's also extremely popular. This model is equipped with CFMOTO's self-developed 3-cylinder engine platform and features track-level handling configurations. In the past, high-displacement performance motorcycles like this were off-limits for Chinese brands, but today, CFMOTO has broken through that barrier as well. There are also electric vehicle series like ZEEHO, which have been among the most frequently inquired about models by buyers at this exhibition. For example, the high-end smart electric motorcycle S17 focuses on long-range, professional electronic control, and intelligent interaction. In Europe, the electric two-wheeler market is gradually booming, and this is a great opportunity for Chinese motorcycle brands to overtake competitors on the curve. At this exhibition, the team leader from CFMOTO told me that they had in-depth discussions about orders from the previous 2 years right at the Canton Fair, and also met quite a few new clients. The results far exceeded their expectations. We just finished visiting the popular Zhangqiu booth and the Chunfeng Power booth, which are both hotspots at the exhibition. Now, for our third stop, let's turn our attention to electric motorcycles in emerging markets. Let's talk about electric motorcycles first. There's an important backdrop to this year's Canton Fair. As everyone knows, international oil prices have soared. WTI crude oil futures have already risen to $94.69 per barrel, and Brent crude oil has reached $99.39 per barrel. So, what does this mean for our motorcycle industry? Manager Tang Fuxing from Guangdong Zhenghao Motorcycles told me, the rise in fuel costs has created huge development opportunities for electric motorcycles. I noticed that there are a great many electric motorcycle booths at this exhibition, all drawing huge crowds. Demand for electric motorcycles and electric two-wheelers is experiencing explosive growth in the European market. As for China's manufacturing industry, we have a complete industrial chain advantage in batteries, motors, and electronic control. Looking at emerging markets, the Apsonic brand under Guangdong Baton Holdings is also the only motorcycle brand in the world to have signed as the official partner of the Africa Cup of Nations for 3 consecutive times. Their strategy is quite unique. They are based in China, but they have put down roots in Africa. This brand has been deeply rooted in Africa for more than 20 years, establishing a complete sales and local service network. This gives us, as foreign trade professionals, the insight that emerging markets are a blue ocean for Chinese motorcycle brands going global. Similarly, there's also Bolus Microtechnology from Dongguan, which focuses on the green energy mobility sector and has made a strong entry into the motorcycle exhibition area this time.
In addition to the booths we just visited, such as the motorcycle section, there are also well-known domestic brands like Senshi, Zongshen, and Longxing. For example, Senshi won the CEIF Grand Prize at the Canton Fair last year. Their 70,322 model is equipped with a self-developed 3-cylinder engine, and its performance can directly compete with imported brands. From the booths behind me, you can sense a common trend. Chinese motorcycle brands are no longer just focused on value for money. They are now competing in terms of performance, design, and branding. In the past, my overseas clients would always ask about the price, but now they're asking about engine displacement, specifications, whether there's ABS, and how the after-sales service is. Questions that show a deeper level of cooperation. This is how China's motorcycle manufacturing industry is breaking through and moving upward in 2026. Finally, here are 3 key takeaways for everyone participating in this exhibition. First, in the motorcycle industry, your performance on the track is your best advertisement. Zhaoshu Motorcycles proved its technical strength by winning the WSBK Championship, which also served as the best marketing for its brand. When your technology is solid, orders will come naturally. Second, electric motorcycles are an opportunity for Chinese manufacturing to overtake competitors on the curve. Given the current international situation, with rising oil prices and Europe's shift toward electrification, a huge window of opportunity has opened up for Chinese electric motorcycle brands. Third, emerging markets are worth our deep investment. For example, Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. While motorcycles are in high demand there, these countries are also undergoing an upgrade from fuel to electric vehicles. If you are a fuel-powered motorcycle manufacturer, you can focus on large displacement, high-performance segments using technology and branding to establish your brand image. But if you are an electric motorcycle manufacturer, the European market is your main battleground this year, and a localized after-sales service system is key to securing orders in Europe. If you are a manufacturer of accessories or components, you can follow the industry's complete vehicle brands as they expand overseas and provide strong supporting services. That's it for our tour of the motorcycle pavilion. Let's go check out some of the other areas together. Bye-bye.